Okay, so we are going to learn how to count until 100 without actually memorizing all 100 of those numbers. Are you excited? Hi everyone, I'm Keshi and this is Let Us Learn French. Today we're going to learn how to count until 100 without actually memorizing all the 100 numbers. Actually, we really only need to know the first 20 numbers, and then we can use a pattern to learn the next ones. If you like these kinds of videos and you're excited to start learning French, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a video from us. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Before we start with number 1, let's actually start with 0. So 0 in French is zéro. Now let's learn number 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that's the first 20 numbers. You actually didn't have to remember 17 to 19. If you think about it, 17 is 17, but maybe you can already see a pattern here. 17 is 10 and 7, and in French it is literally 10, 7. 10, 7, 17. It's the same for 18. 10, 8, 18. And the same for 19. 10, 9, 19. It might sound a little bit different than 10, 9, since we usually just say 19, but that's just how you say it together. Now that we know 1, actually 0 to 20, before we start with our pattern, we need to know how to say 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So let's start learning those multiples of 10, shall we? 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, so now we have the first 20 numbers and we have 30, 40, etc. until 100. Now we can learn everything in between. So let's break it down. 20 to 29 is literally the same as in English. So 21 is basically just 20 and 1, and 22 is 20 and 2. Keep in mind, for the numbers in the 20s, 21 is a little bit different than the rest of them. So 21 is actually 20 and 1 in French. So 21 is 21. 20 et 1. 21. The rest is exactly the same as in English, but in French. What I mean is the same way that 22 is 20 and 2, 22 in French is 22. 22. 22. And the same applies for the rest until 29. So in order from 20 to 29, it's 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So the same rule that you use for the numbers in the 20s apply for the numbers in the 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, and 80s. Numbers in the 70s and 90s are a little bit different, but we'll get to that later in the video. So 30 to 39 is 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So now 40 to 49 is 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Let's keep going. 50 to 59 is 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Now 60 to 69 are 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Now, you might have noticed that 70 in French is 70, which is 60 and 10, 70. So literally in English that would be 60-10. So think about it. What would come after 60-10? Yeah, 60-11. Okay, so that might seem a little bit silly, but just think about it like that. In French, 70 to 79 is basically 60-10 to 60-19. So just remember how to say 60, and you already know you 1 to 20. So 60 and, for example, 17 would be 77. Okay, so it's okay if you're a little bit confused. We'll go through it. 70 to 79 are 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Does it make a little bit more sense now? Let me know in the comments below actually if you get the hang of it until now. And if you have a different technique that you used, also let me know in the comments below. But we're not done yet. Now 80 to 99, you can think of it just like 60 to 79. And by the way, 80 literally means 4 20s. So it's true, 80 is 4 times 20. I just don't know why they would give it that name. That doesn't matter. So now 80 to 89 is 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. So 90 to 99 is the same pattern as 70 to 79 in the sense that 90 basically is 90, which is 80-10. So to remember it, 90 to 99 would be 90 until 99. So in French, 90 to 99 would be 90, 91, 92, 93, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. And you already know what 100 is, or maybe you forgot because it was kind of at the beginning of the video, but 100 is 100. So that's it. That's 0 to 100, and you learned that in a few minutes. Congratulations! If you don't remember it yet, it's okay. You don't have to just know it by now. You can keep coming back to this video for as many times as you want, until you can easily count from 0 to 100 without even thinking about it. And trust me, you will get there. Practice makes perfect, and I believe in you, so you should believe in yourself. If you have any questions, concerns, let me know in the comments below. If you liked this video today and found it useful, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what your favorite number is in French. Also make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss a video from us. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Take care.